Hi, if you cannot solve this question, then just keep watching this video. You're going to know how to solve it. That's what it means. Alright, so what mass of CaO is formed from completely burning 2 grams of Ca in oxygen? This is how to do it. You need an equation of reaction first. So Ca plus oxygen, and that gives you CaO. Okay, oxygen is always diatomic, so that's why I've written O2. Calcium is burned in oxygen and you would form CaO as the product. So let's balance this real quick. We can put a half here since our calcium is already balanced. We'll put a half here and that would balance our oxygen for us. Or you could write it this way, 2Ca plus O2 to give 2CaO. This is equally acceptable by everybody. Alright, so what mass of CaO will be formed when you should burn 2 grams of Ca in oxygen? If we're burning 2 grams of Ca, can you tell me what that would be in moles of Ca? It's going to be 2 grams divided by the molar mass of Ca, which is 40. Ca is calcium, so 40 grams per mole. And this is like 1 over 20, and that should be around 0.05. So that's the number of moles of calcium that we are burning. What is the mass of CaO that should be formed? If we want to get the mass of calcium oxide, remember that from this, 2 moles of calcium produces 2 moles of calcium oxide. So that means if we have 0.05 moles of calcium, it's going to produce the same 0.05 moles of calcium oxide. Does that make sense? If it does, then it means that the number of moles of calcium oxide is just 0.05 as well. So we are almost done with this question because they asked us to get the mass. The mass of CaO will become the moles of CaO times the molar mass of CaO. So that should be 40 plus that of oxygen, which is 16. Okay, and you multiply that by the moles you have here. So this should be 0.05 multiplied by 56, which should give us, what should that be? 2.8 grams of CaO. Therefore, the mass of CaO formed from completely burning 2 grams of Ca in oxygen is 2.8 grams of CaO. Alright, so let me know if this video was helpful for you. And is this the first time you'll be coming across this kind of questions? Let me know in the comments. And I'll see you on question 45.